What is going on, everyone? My name is Troy. I just got this box in the mail. It has something pretty sweet inside, so let's go ahead and open it up. So I placed an order about, a week ago on Apple's website for, dun, 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 dun. Can you guess what it is? Yes, the new Mavic Air. I'm super excited for this. I have a Mavic Pro, and I saw that this is their new model, so I had to go ahead and pick one up. So we're gonna do like a unboxing, first impressions, and a little Maiden flight for you guys. Plastic wrap is off. There it is, right in the case. Wow. This thing looks really cool. I think it's really tiny. I think the battery pops out here. So there's some sensors here at the bottom, more sensors here on the back. Pinch it, and then it slides up to pop off. So you can see this two side by side, and in pretty much every comparison, the Mavic Air is like half the size. Well, maybe not half the size, but much, much smaller. The one thing that I might miss on this one versus the Mavic Pro is I use the box on the Mavic Pro to hold everything. And I know this comes with a really nice case, but I don't think the remote fits in here. It looks like this box has some charging cords, and the other micro USB, USB-C, extra thumb sticks on there too. Ah, extra blades. There we go. Look how small those blades are. Wow. Fits right in my hand. I'm actually kind of interested to see if these are any good. I've never actually flown a DJI product with propeller guards on. This looks much larger with these propeller guards on. The propeller guards, it's kind of thin plastic, but it's quite rigid, so I think if this bumps into something, it would bounce off, but it wouldn't flex so much that the propeller would hit whatever it is that you're flying near or ran into. Now it does have obstacle avoidance in the front and on the rear, so I think it would be pretty safe, you know, flying forwards or backwards. It doesn't have the obstacle avoidance on the side, so you get the propeller guards for that. There's the remote. No screen on this one. It looks much closer to the Sparks remote. And they have removable joysticks now. Pop in right there and right there. I like the design of this, how it is able to attach, because the threads are inside of here and outside of here, but it's still like inside, so it's all very flush and smooth. That's a very smart design. I like that. That feels very secure. So I'm gonna go set everything on the charger, let this charge up, and we'll go for a maiden flight. So it got a little too dark out last night after I had charged the batteries, and sorry I don't have my microphone on. We're just gonna have to use the camera mics. First thing I noticed is this thing is actually really loud, like really loud. Looking at the settings here, and I don't know if the camera's gonna be able to pick that up, but you can do 1080p at 120 frames a second. So you can do slow-mo video in 1080p. I'm gonna have to test that. That sounds really cool. think the drone's a little too loud for me to talk, so let's go ahead and land. I'll tell you my first thoughts. So my first impressions of the Mavic Air flying, it's a pretty quick little drone. It is very loud. I was not expecting it to be as loud as it is, but I guess these little propellers got to spin quick. In the sport mode, it has a lot of pitch to it, so it can move quite fast, but, and maybe you'll be able to see on the camera here, as it pitches down, it pitches so far that the camera actually has to move with the drone. Like the gimbal can't look up high enough compared to the pitch that the drone actually tilts to. Same when going sideways. So let me hold it like this. It tilts farther in air than the gimbal can actually move. I'm here at home and there's plenty of Wi-Fi signals here, and this drone uses that extended range Wi-Fi. So there are times where I flew it 200 feet away from me just now up the street, and the video signal, it wasn't dropping, but it was kind of pixelating. So I was a little surprised by that with this drone. So that was my first flight with the Mavic Air. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see me do with the Mavic. I have a few ideas coming up, testing out some of the obstacle avoidance sensors, and be sure to subscribe. See ya.